Hi, this is Udi Tirosh with DIYPhotography.net. I'm here at PhotoPlus 2019. I'm on the Luminar stand talking to Alex about their new Luminar 4.
DIY Photography's coverage of PhotoPlus 2019 is sponsored by Luminar, an AI-powered photo editor. PhotoPlus, immerse yourself in the world of photo and video. Cozy Speed, the fastest camera bags in the world. And Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
Hey Alex, how's it going?
It's all good, thanks so much.
How are you enjoying the show so far?
It's pretty good. It's bigger than last year, at least that's what I feel, and people are amazing, the crowd is fantastic, the feedback is outstanding, so it's all good, I'm happy.
And I'm seeing that you have a pre-sale for Luminar 4. You've just announced it, and I've been seeing features rolling out over the last few months. So tell us a little bit about Luminar 4.
Yeah. The pre-sale is there. People are buying it like hotcakes. This makes the team happy as well. This is pretty cool. Speaking of features, the main improvement is that now we basically open the process of photo editing to more people, because we've been talking to many photographers, and lots of them, even they take photos, but they don't edit because the editing process seems very complex or boring or unsatisfying or not so enjoyable, so they just skip the process of editing. They may apply filters, but they don't spend a lot of time editing because it seems boring or outdated or manual. So we are changing this. We are making the process of editing or enhancing images much more fun, and it's now an extension of your creative thinking. So when you think you want to get a great image or portrait or enhance a landscape, you open a software and it speaks your language. It says, here's the tool to enhance a landscape, here's the tool to make a portrait better.
So what does this speaking your language means? Can you give me a few examples
Sure.
of how you would, example, retouch a photo, or how does the new structure help you to retouch photos?
Sure. My pleasure. So imagine you take a great shot of a friend of yours, and you want to make a portrait that looks really good. Then the thought that you have in your head is that I want to get a great looking portrait. Then you open another software and you just see like shadows and highlights and layers and masks and something that you need to figure out how to mix and blend to actually get a great portrait. With Luminar, we take the boring out of the photo editing, so we do the masking and selections with the help of AI, and you just go to a section that says Portrait Enhancer, and you move a single slider to enhance eyes, you move a single slider to slim the face, you move a single slider to enhance eyebrows. Selections are done automatically, so you only focus on the result itself, not the process, and that allows you to be more efficient and more creative. So now you're not wasting time on like complex, unnecessary things. That's the point.
So Alex, tell me, what different modules does Luminar have?
Okay, so traditionally Luminar was mostly for landscape and travel photographers and street photographers, and we have millions of photographers who use it for those types of images. The new Luminar 4 is for those photographers, but also for portrait professionals, for wedding photographers, for those who shoot events and kids photo sessions, because we now have more tools to satisfy literally everyone, from a hobbyist to a professional.
So I understand that there are dedicated panels for each type of photo. So what kind of dedicated panels do you have?
We have a creative panel for more creative artists. We have a portrait, we have essentials, we have pro for those who want to go advanced editing. So lots of panels for different styles.
So for example, what kind of sliders or feature will I find in the, let's say, portrait panel?
You'll find skin retouching, you'll find creative filters like Orton effect or high key. You'll find a very cool, intelligent portrait retouching or skin retouching filter. It's all there.
And what are the specific sliders that you would have under portrait retouching?
If you want to retouch a portrait, you'll be able to retouch to enhance eyes and make them more clear. You can slim face, you can whiten teeth, you can enhance eyebrows, you can even retouch the skin without creating that artificial Barbie look.
So you can keep the texture of the skin, it doesn't look like a porcelain doll.
Yes, and that's because we're not softening the skin or applying some blur. It's actually a very high quality retouching done by a trained AI. So it keeps the pore, keeps the texture. Even the hair that's on the face will stay there because it only touches the skin.
Okay, and what kind of features would you have for landscape?
For landscape, the biggest hit is definitely the sky replacement, because it creates this very special mask, and you can add your textures and add your skies. But then we have like a landscape enhancer that can add golden hour or make your lives greener. We have AI structure that brings up the details only where it's necessary. Lots of tools. For For landscapes, it's very, very powerful for landscapes.
So Alex, talk to me, when can I get the software and how much will it cost?
You can get it immediately, and if you get it at the show, you'll save $20 plus get a free year of SmugMug, which is $180 by itself. And then the software will be available on November 18th, and it will cost around $99 then.
Okay, so you can do it on a pre-sale now, or wait until November 18 and buy it at full price.
Yeah, so you pay full price, and you'll be able to get the trial if you want to try it. But right now, trust us, the software has a good quality, amazing performance, and you save $20-30 when you pre-purchase it.
Alex, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Udi Tirosh, DIY Photography, PhotoPlus 2019. Stick around, we have more coverage from the floor. We're also giving away a Luminar license along with some other cool software, bags and lights, so check out the description below.
Yeah.